a day in my life. Let's go. Yeah, come and join with me, guys. We're riding a motorcycle there.
Hi guys.
Yeah, as always, I'm really scared of riding my own motorcycle, and I used to, ride the other motorbike, which is my cousin's. Yeah, come and join with me, guys. Let's go. Yeah, I actually enjoyed the moment riding a motorbike. It was indeed fun, and it really, it's really good adventure. Yeah, and I think everyone it's three minutes long, or I think it's 1 to 2 minutes, yeah, before I arrive at home. So let's go. Yeah, look at the place. It was nice, and yeah, there's a green, surroundings, and I actually enjoy the view. Yeah, that is countryside. Let's go. Yeah, so far the weather is good, and the road there, it's not slippery, so my cousin is concentrating while driving his motorcycle. Yeah, finally, yeah, we are now Milen's house, near to Milen house. Yeah, let's go. Finally, it's the Agarita house. Then I saw a lechon. I think it's almost crispy na, everyone. And also my sister preparing for the plates and all. Yeah, very busy, guys. And at the same time, my sister also do vlogging. Yeah, try to look at the surroundings. Yeah, this is our surroundings, guys. Actually, it was clean, actually. Yeah, the puso and our dog. Now let's go. Let's prepare the onions, the garlics, and all. The pancit canton. For the long life. Yeah, they were busy, actually, guys. Yeah, it was indeed fun. Yeah, they're busy. Ellen also preparing hot dogs for the spaghetti. Yeah, they're going to cook that later on. Yeah, with pork. And while Ellen is cooking spaghetti, my cousin also, yeah, I will be the one to assist also to my cousin. We're cooking pancit. Yeah, bami. Yeah, it looks so delicious, and there's a lot of vegetables. Yeah, in it, vegetables in toppings, and I know it's so yummy. Yeah, that looks very hot, everyone. Wow. The pancit, it's already, and then the bangus. Yeah, and since we don't have kuan, guys, chiller, that's the lechon. Yeah, we use drum to, and then put a lot of ice so that we cannot put that into a refrigerator. Then we're all done preparing for the foods, and then we sing also happy birthday to my father. And then, yeah, actually, guys, this is a late birthday celebration of my father. Actually, his birthday was on June 9. And since they were in Manila, they were celebrate birthday of my father 20th of June. Yeah, and my father also was excited of the gift. Yeah, we're actually preparing for that.
Hala, sana all. Hala, sana all.
Wala sa ginar din day kanang kuan day kubar. Live kubar ri kuno to iya.
Kubal yo daw. Bilis sa nako stinto ni kamay.
Hi. Tapos sa nga pagka-sprite lang.
Zero sugar man.
Ay naman roldan.
Muawasad ni ron kay kuan man. Ina nagat na yo.
Oh, dugo rin sa kay pahong. Ay, disampat mo ay.
Nainit naman kayo na ay ko mabugbog-bugnaw yan.
Masa?
Kaon kayo oy. Tinagod.
Sige lagbang. Mao ni kalaki sa mga kuan guys. Sa mga satsangiro, magdungol kayo guys. Kay manayaw man sila guys.
Since we're all done eating, guys, we're full na everyone. So they are actually planning for the games. Yeah. So the games is, you know, it was actually exciting. So that they were also happy. So not just only eating everyone, but they're willing to, you know, to participate in the games. So my Tio, Tia, aunties, uncle. So this game actually this is Trip to Jerusalem. They were easy. They were very happy, guys. And then are you familiar with these games, guys? And then that's the girl's turn, and as you can see, Ellen's there to participate in the games. My aunties, they were happy. They were happy, guys. It was really cute. Seeing them like, you know, like a kids. Yeah. And then my sister is the loser because she doesn't have her own seat. So, and the winner is, who will be the winner for these games? Yeah. There will be one winner for the game.
Okay, okay ra na, okay ra na.
Who will be the winner? Ellen and Tia Amelia, guys. Oh, the winner is Tia. Okay, another game, guys. This for the boys. 5 participants in each groups. And who will be the winner, then they will be divided it in how many members are they. So they're actually, yeah, I think, guys, they're so happy and they're so excited to pull the battle, the Red Horse battle. And the winner is Group 1. Yeah, they received 200 pesos each. And another game, this one. Yeah, they were happy, guys. Yeah.